last topic of the chapter. Now we will discuss the two important cities of the Indus Valley civilization which are present in Gujarat. First is Lothal. Lothal in Gujarat is the most extensively researched Harappan coastal site. So Lothal is a place where many research have been taken place so that we can get the information about the Harappan civilization. Lothal was situated at the head of the Gulf of Kambat. So Lothal is situated at the head, that means at the point of the Gulf of Kambat. It was divided into a citadel and lower town. Just like the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Lothal was also divided into two parts, that is citadel and lower town. A large warehouse have been found. So there is a large warehouse, that means godown, where different types of items were kept for future purpose. The region around Lothal was rich in semi-precious stones and important items of trade. So especially in the Lothal, when the excavation was done, many semi-precious stones were found, and hence we can say that it was some of the semi-precious stones were important item for trade, that means doing business. Lothal had a flourishing bead making industry. So in the Lothal there was a bead making industries where they used to make different types of items in these industries. Okay, the beads were made up of terracotta, stone, shell, etc. So beads are the stone like structure and they were made up of terracotta, stone and shell. Significant finds include a brick dockyard connected to the Gulf of Kambat through a channel. So in the Lothal there is a brick dockyard, that means a place where different types of ship used to come and they used to load and unload the items. Okay, so hence we can say that Lothal plays an important role in order to do the business from other foreign countries. In this dockyard the ship might have been loaded and unloaded. So same thing, in this dockyard different types of items were loaded from the Indus Valley civilization and some of the items were brought up from foreign countries. All these evidence prove that Lothal was included in overseas trade. So with the help of these information which we get from the Lothal, we come to know that Lothal plays an important role to do the overseas business, that means trade. This is the dockyard at Lothal. So here is the brick like structure. Okay, here is the water and they used to load and unload the items in the ships and they used to do the overseas trade. Next is Dholavira. Dholavira is one of the important Harappan cities located in India. So Dholavira is also plays an important role and it is one of the important cities located in India and it is also present in Gujarat. It lies in the island of Khadir, surrounded by the run of Kutch in Gujarat. So Dholavira is also present in Gujarat and it is surrounded by the run of Kutch near the island of Khadir. It is locally known as Kautada. So in the Gujarat it is known as Kautada. The city has three parts, just like the Lothal. In Lothal there was two parts, that is citadel and lower town, but in Dholavira it was divided into three parts: a citadel, a middle town enclosed with the high walls with gateways, and the lower town not enclosed with a high wall. So in the Dholavira the society was, or you can say the city was divided into three parts: citadel, which is at the higher region; a middle town, that means lower the citadel but their walls were very high and there was a gateways, and the third part is lower town where there is where there was no walls at all. Okay, the rulers of Dholavira lived in the citadel. Okay, so the rulers category, they used to live in the citadel. The rich in the middle town, and the richer section of the society, they used to live in the middle town, and the ordinary people, that means the poor section of the society, that is farmers, they used to live in the lower town. The citadel has an open space where public functions might have been held. So a place have been found in the citadel which is in the Dholavira. In the Dholavira a citadel has been found where there is an open space, that means open ground, and according to this space we come to know that These spaces were used for public functions, that means for any ceremonies, for rituals, marriage and so on. Okay, so the ruins of Dholavira, one of the largest Harappan site discovered in India. So this is the place belongs from the Dholavira, which is present in Gujarat. With this we end the chapter.